everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Face masks are one of those products that are the secret to a girl's glowing, clear and radiant skin. This is one of those magical beauty products that will actually transform your skin from being dull to absolutely radiant and healthy. So today in this video, I will be talking to you about my top 6 face masks that are under the price of Rs 250, and they will help you get that clear, glowing, radiant and absolutely healthy face. So if you want to know what are those face masks that I really love using, then keep on watching the video. So the first category that I really like is the Innisfree's It's Real Squeeze face mask. So Innisfree is really popular and renowned for its organic and natural face masks, and these come in a huge variety that will actually leave you confusing. They're absolutely organic, natural, and they're made of different ingredients like lime, rose, shea butter, kiwi, pomegranate, tea tree, and a lot of other varieties also there. So you can choose according to your choice and your specific skin problem. They're real source masks that treat skin problems while keeping them bright, clear, soft and moisturized, and these retail for Rs 100. The next face mask that I really love using is the Khadi Sandal and Almond face mask. Now, Khadi also produces all the natural and organic beauty products. Now, this one has sandalwood and almond as its main ingredient. So this is as the ingredient list suggests. It's absolutely good for getting that natural glow onto your face and that boost of energy that is very much required. So this is specially curated for dry skin, and if you want to use this, then it's this is a powder consistency face mask which you need to mix with either water or rose water or milk, any liquid content, and then once you make that face pack kind of a consistency, then you can start applying it onto your face. This, you will notice after using this, your face instantly brightens up. So this one retails for 120 rupees. Now the next face mask, this is one of my most favorite, and I've been using this from a really long time. This is the Himalayas Purifying Neem Peel Off Face Mask. Now this is specially made to get rid of all the pimple marks. Now thanks to neem, multani mitti and turmeric in it, this will actually get you rid of all that pesky pimple that you have. Neem will help you get rid of all the skin irritations and give you a really nice healthy glow onto your skin. Also, this face mask helps you get rid of all the impurities that you have onto your face, and it will also clean your clogged pores, which is a major reason for breakouts. So this is actually suitable for all skin types, but especially for oily skin, this is absolutely a must-have skincare product. This one retails for 130 rupees. Now the next one that I like using is the Patanjali's Multani Mitti face pack. Now let's not teach you or guide you as to how organic this brand is. I'm sure you already are aware of the brand Patanjali and how well their skincare products work for all skin types. Now Multani Mitti is actually very good. It's a natural ingredient which will help give your face that soothing effect. Now this has aloe vera and a blend of a lot of clays in it. So this helps in the natural blood circulation onto the face, and once you apply this, you will notice your skin has instantly brightened and it feels much more smoother and softer. And this is something which is suitable for all skin types, like be it any skin type, this is a must have. This is quite affordable. It retails for only 60 rupees. Now the next favorite is again one of my all-time favorite one. I've been using this from a really long time. Probably from my college days. This is the Lotus Tea Tree Clarifying Face Mask. Now this has tea tree as its main ingredient, which helps in clearing out the pimples, the acne, all the blemishes, breakouts, and also clears out your complexion. It also helps in removing the tan because of the clay that it has in it, and also instantly glows your skin. This one retails for 245 rupees. Now the next face mask is an interesting one. It's kind of a fun face mask because I really like peel off masks. I think they're really fun to use and apply and then just peel off. So this is a peel off mask by Jovis, which has apricot and honey as its main ingredient. So apricot helps in cleaning out your pores and closes the pores, and honey is very nourishing for the skin. It's a natural moisturizer. So the main fun part is to peel it off, and once you peel the face mask off, it'll lift all the impurities which were there on your face, and effectively it removes all the dirt from your face and the excess oil. And yeah, so this tightens the pore and nourishes the skin. This one retails for 155 rupees. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Let me know in the comment section your favorite face masks that you're currently using or probably using from a really long time. So like, share, comment, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.